Good morning, this is Buy My Money, and today is October 29th, 2020. And welcome to my journey of doubling my account. And if you're watching, thanks for joining me. Let me know if there are any topics you'd like to know about price action in the comments. I'm doubling a 5K account in the MES micros before moving to the ES minis. For those who do not know, MES is 10 times smaller than ES, but the chart moves almost identical to the ES. So you get the price action of the ES, but a tenth of the exposure. Theoretically, if you can double a 5K account in the MES, you can double a 50K account in the ES. In fact, it is harder to trade the micros since the percentage of commissions is more for the micros than the minis. I began this journey because if you can make 1% a day, it will take only 100 days to double your account. There are 252 trading days in a year, so it will take less than half a year to double your account. That means you could potentially double your account twice in 1 year, which would 4x your account in only 1 year. Then every year after that, it will be exponential growth. Currently around 39% of doubling my account. I've been making an average about 2-3% a day. So I'm currently on track to doubling my account in 3 to 4 months. I always have my account amount on the top of my screen. Sorry, let me get that up there. There it is. So the price action strategy I like to use is finding two-legged pullbacks and key entry points. And two-legged pullback is simply a pattern that looks like this. You have the first pullback, first entry, second pullback, and then the second entry right here. And we like to enter into the second entry like this. And this is also known as an ABC pattern. And so we look for the ABC pattern. Either it could also be like this, ABC, and we like to enter the second entry right here. So we like to find this in key entry points such as support, resistance levels, trend lines, moving averages, channels, things like that. Also, I have 3 indicators on my screen. I have the 20 EMA, which is solid blue line. I have the 240 SMA, which is the dotted line. Also a custom indicator where it counts the legs. And when I say count legs, I'm not saying it's counting every candle. I'm saying it counts the legs in a specific way where for price action. So you can find two-legged pullbacks. And so every dark red, every dark green number is a two-legged pullback. And also tells you the upcoming leg and the type of leg by the color. And so you can see also magenta boxes, which are traps. If you'd like to know more about the strategy, go ahead and you can check out the channel and have other playlists to describe this strategy in more detail. Albrook recommends you trade your I don't care size. So for me, that's 3 contracts, 2 scalps, and 1 runner. I use the 2584 tick chart as my main chart. Mac from Price Action Trading System uses the 2000 tick chart, which is fine, but I like to use the 2584 since it is the closest Fibonacci number to 2000. Why Fibonacci numbers? Well, because Fibonacci numbers appear all over in nature, and so if the market reflects human nature, I would like to use the Fibonacci numbers whenever I can. Also use some other tick charts time frames. These are all Fibonacci numbers. I use the 610. I use the 2584. I use the 10,946 and also the 5 minute. I use the 5 minute because Al Brooks uses the 5 minute and I like to mimic the best. This is going to be a trend day today for sure. Now onto the technical analysis. Yeah, so I have this dotted red line which shows us yesterday's close. And as you can see, this is moving quite volatilely. And so most likely this is going to be a trend day, and it already broke yesterday's low. That's incredible to me. We are on a tear, downtrend tear. So this is the 5 minute. Just charting the 5 minute real quick. This trend line is still good, still valid. Let's get the steepest point here. Okay, so we have 3 descending channels. One here, and one here. That's incredible. Let's look at the 2K chart. Super volatility like this, I might try to trade a 10K chart. expanded. It's actually just expanding. It's actually creating a wedge here, as you can see on the 2K chart. Here's a wedge. Alright, interested here. Mainly because of confluence between the 10K and the 5-minute off the 20 EMA here. Min. Trap waiting here. Might be interested in this trap. Trap hit. It's very hard for me to know that was a trap unless I had this indicator, the custom indicator. But that's a trap because you had a B. Actually, sorry, other way around. You had A, B, C, and then this failed to make a point here, and it reversed. So that's a trap right there. A, B, C pattern here near the top of the range. Pretty okay signal bar. Might be interested here. Start to turn to a trap. I'm okay with this position here. Disappointing bar for our bears. Far away from the 20 MA. At resistance level here. People buying here, could not get out. This might be a genuine trap here. Nah, I can't go long here. Those who are trapped here need a way out. They'll get it soon. The target was hit actually. Those who are trapped here need a way out soon. Feel okay here, far away from 20 MA. This trap could trigger, but not sure how much higher it can go. double top. Trade is still okay. Trade is still good. Disappointing bar. No, it's okay. They can get my point here. Just being patient. Point made. Stop out. Alright, wrapping up here. End of the day with about 166, which is about 3%. Again, one of those days that had a couple good trades, but really at the end had one scale in trade that I typically hate doing, but the scale in trade happened right here. I thought it was going to reverse, but I got trapped out and had to scale in a couple times until I broke even here. But with that being said, still a green day, and yeah, scale-ins work when you're near top of ranges. You know, that's typically when I like to do it, and so yeah. But other than that, wish I could have a better day, but you know, can't complain about a green day. So that's it for today. Hope everyone else traded well. Happy trading, and God bless.